guys, welcome to another video. So this is 2021 update of Scratch add-ons. I'm going to show you how to add it to Chrome. I'm using a Chromebook right now, by the way, so it will look a little different. So first you're going to head over to the Chrome Web Store, go to chrome.google.com/webstore, or if you're on a Chrome OS device, click the app in your launcher menu. Now you're going to click Scratch add-ons. Make sure there's 2 Ds. And click enter. And click the one by scratchaddons.com. I already added it, so this button should say add to Chrome, and this pop-up here will say add extension ? And you're going to click yes. Now let's minimize, and so the extension, I pinned it by right clicking on the icon. So I went to the puzzle piece and clicked 3 dots and clicked pin. This should say pin. So now when you click it, you can see your unread messages here, and then you can click load more messages to see all your messages, previous messages, like in Scratch. For these are just featured cloud games that some of the people that made Scratch add-ons made, and these are the add-ons, which are settings that will edit Scratch. Now, you cannot advertise this on Scratch. It's banned by Scratch. They banned advertising extensions. So you can just scroll down the settings. Most of them are pretty descriptive. They pretty much describe it. Some of them are self-explanatory. And if you need any help, you can actually go to Scratch Add-ons YouTube channel. So I bookmarked the YouTube channel. Where is it? Scratch Add-ons YouTube. Scratch Add-ons YouTube. And link in the description. I'll put the link in the description. And they have all the videos here. They started making videos. Cool Scratchers started making videos. Version 1.4. 1.14. I'm tired. So this is the most recent version right here, 1.21, and that's what it should look like. So just scroll down, change it, look at Scratch's website to see how it changes, and yeah, pretty easy. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.